I drew Mr. Beast as a beast, which I'll be showing you later on in the video. Please stay tuned to the end to witness how I drew it. So I searched on Google for Mr. Beast screaming, and this is what I got, and this will be perfect. So I started off with a sketch of the drawing. Before I start, please do me a favor and like, subscribe. What you think? Let's start. After sketching down the sketch of Mr. Beast, I started adding the details of the beast form, which I'm going to be coloring very soon in the video. After the sketch was done, I realized my color pencils were not worth it. So I went to market to get a new color pencil, which was Nataj from India. One of the best crayon pencils you can ever think of, which I'm going to be using to color Mr. Beast drawing. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I'm actually thinking of something I can add. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence. I really enjoyed the experience of doing I'm not here to stay today, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead of saying $26 when I sign my record. So I was done with the base. It was many songs missing. If you just believe you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages of vacant. Modern kingdom for the taking. Finished it off. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. The face was fun. I was going to the clothes. Clothes is gonna be very challenging. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. Okay guys, let me know tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. So I finished off the clothes and was left with one thing, which was the logo of Mr.beast on his clothes here. So I had to add the logo coloring and everything, which I literally did. And we were done with the drawing, but something was still missing, and I had to think of it. Money. Mr.beast is all about money, you know. Money, money, money. But the problem is that I could not draw money. So I had to go all the way to Google. Google was my only search engine. So I went to Google and I searched dollar bill, and this popped out for me, which I downloaded it and took as the background of Mr. Beast as a beast. So we were finally done with the drawing. Like, congrats to me and us for finishing this piece, masterpiece. This is Mr. Beast fused with his logo. Please comment what you think of this drawing, and be sure to like, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I'll be bringing more fun ideas like this. And let me not forget, this is my cameraman, Peter. He's my junior brother. Yeah, please subscribe to my channel and watch these videos for more.